Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about Indonesian independence again. Well, Indonesian independence falls on the 17th of August. Many people commemorate it every year. They hold flag raising ceremony and a lot of contests. Now Indonesia becomes an independent state. It is a big country, even it is the biggest country in Southeast Asia. It has thousands of islands, ethnics and languages. Alright? To improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat. Okay? Now repeat after me. On the 17th of August, Indonesian people commemorate independence. It becomes national holiday. Many people commemorate it by holding flag raising ceremony and a lot of contests. Now, Indonesia becomes an independent state. It is a big country, even it is the biggest country in Southeast Asia. It has thousands of islands, ethnics and languages. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Question number 1. When does the Indonesian independence holiday fall? Question number 2. To commemorate the national holiday, what do the Indonesian people do? The next question. Is Indonesia an independent state? Is it a big country? Is it the biggest country in Southeast Asia? The next question. Does the country have thousands of islands? Is it a multi-ethnic country? Well, hopefully that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.